We are one of the 5 vertically licensed medical marijuana companies in the state of Pennsylvania. So we have a grow operation and we also have 3 dispensaries. It's easier to get into the Pentagon than our facility. And in all honesty, DES set the standard for this industry in the state. The state was thoroughly impressed with what DES had done security-wise. And that standard was carried through to all of their other inspections. This industry is probably more restrictive than any industry in the country. Just our checks and balances, seed to sale, programming, things like that. But the large part of it is obviously the security aspect of the building. Everyone has to worry, if someone going to break in to steal the medical marijuana products. DES put forth some propositions and the camera systems, the high definition, the 360 degrees, the storage. We actually have to store 4 years worth of video data. So that's a lot of storage requirements that no other industry. You could take a look at the gaming industry, which DES has done. The casinos only have to hold 90 days of data, video data. We're required 4 years.
So with the Brookville grow, they're a little different than a dispensary. We have a lot more security at a grow facility. So the first thing you're going to encounter when you come to the grow facility is going to be a fence around the entire perimeter and an electronic gate. So you're going to have access control from the gate before you even enter the facility. So you have to stop at the gate, you have to use the audio intercom to talk to the guard. He'll open the gate and let you into the facility. So from there, we have cameras around the entire perimeter of the grow facility and of course inside the grow facility.
There's a 20% overlap of every single camera on the facility, on the outside and inside. So there are absolutely no blind spots in any part of the inside of the building or blind spots on the outside of the building.
And the guards do monitor with the Genetec Security Center. So he will have access to all the cameras, all the card readers, as well as any doors that are monitored just for events, maybe doors that are propped open, doors that are open that shouldn't be open.
The city police, the state police also have access to our video cameras anytime that they would like to see them.
The security is set up a little bit differently at the dispensary because we do obviously want a customer to be able to come into the facility and we want them to feel welcomed in the facility. We don't want them to feel like there's an overwhelming amount of security looming over them, but there actually is, they just don't see it.
The products will not be out on display on the floor of the dispensary. Everything will be back in a vault, and we have biometrics. There's only 2 or 3 people that are even allowed into that room. I can tell you that a lot of people failed on their first initial walkthrough with the Department of Health because they did not have security such as DES had installed for us in Brookville.